in summary, what I found useful to understand when to use 1 point, 2 points, or 3 point perspective is when you can clearly see one of the sides without any distortion. There's no conversion into it. So all of the lines, horizontal or vertical, are either parallel or perpendicular to the horizon. So that will be 1 point perspective. For 2 point perspective, I found that you will see clearly two sides conversion. So here we see the blue side and the red side. You can see that there clearly are conversion. So then for 3 point perspective, I found that it's best to think of it when all of the sides show some conversion, being the horizontal and the vertical lines, and especially if you see any of the vertical lines conversion to a point, like these ones here. You see they are no longer parallel to each other. This one goes this way and this one goes that way. It could be easier to think that is when you can see the top or bottom. However, that won't always be the case, because in this example with 1 point perspective, I can see the bottom of this box above the horizon, and I can see the top of this box below the horizon. But the thing I can see for sure is that the vertical lines are parallel to each other. So that tells me, okay, this shouldn't be 3 point perspective. And the reason why I know it's not 2 is because I only see conversion in one side. Conversions in one side, I mean. And then for 2 points, I can also see the bottom of my box above the horizon and the top of my box below the horizon. But again, the thing that stands is the vertical lines are parallel to each other. Or also you can think of them perpendicular to the horizon line. So that's how I would be able to tell when not to use 3 point perspective and when to use 1 point or 2 point.